Today's video is regarding Brother printer MFC-J497DW. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and ink cartridge chamber is here, so simply have to push it outward, you will see, with this handle, and we have to remove the ink cartridges here. To remove the ink cartridge, we simply have to press this button down and it will automatically open the ink cartridge for us. So just do it one by one. And to install the new ink cartridge, simply we have to place the black at the black side. Make sure the logo stays up, lock stays up, and nozzle go inside. So we have to slide and push, it will lock itself. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door, and you can just wait for the printer to start, and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.